What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos in InVideo.ai. So what you want to do when you're inside your InVideo account, normally when you create a video, you will have the video available right after it's generated. You can quickly click the download button right from here, and you will see if you have paid account, you will have videos without watermark. Otherwise, if you're using the free account, you'll just basically have to have the video with the watermark. So you will just need to go ahead and just leave it as is with whatever you have. You'll just have to choose the option that you can get to download with the watermark or whatever, right? So as you can see here, if you want to download videos without watermark, you will just need to go ahead and basically create an account. The same goes for if you want 1080p resolution, then you'll also need to do that as well. So all you have to do is just choose whatever settings you want and you can go ahead and download. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to quickly choose this option here, click on next, and you will see that it loads and take me over to where it's preparing the video, and I'll be able to download my video here. As you can see, I choose whatever settings I want. It's going to quickly render the video for me, and then I'll be able to download the video. So that's the process here. Whatever video you choose to create, you will need to go through a quick render phase where the video will be rendered and you will be able to see the video that you can download. And as you can see, once it's finished rendered, it's going to immediately download for you. And you can see here on my computer that it just downloaded a video for me. So here in my download folder, I have the video, and I'm going to quickly play the video so that you can see that quick video. And that is the video, but it has the stock.
High above the earth, a lone eagle soars.
Let's say
rain transforms the world.
But if you have a paid subscription, you can remove all of those from your PC. Another way, guys, is that if you're inside InVideo on your homepage, you will see all the videos that you have downloaded before. You will see them under the download section here. And if you have never downloaded a video, you can also find them under the different history here. And that's how you'll be able to find videos that you download. So anything that you have created, you can see the history here. If you have a lot, you can click on see all history, and you can see all of those things that you have generated, and you can just go ahead and open them and be able to download whatever it is that you want. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.